Hello there, my name is Sam with liftedtrucks.com and welcome to episode number 8 of our build series. In this series, each episode highlights the build of a new vehicle. We take you into the shop to show you the modifications we'll be making to the trucks, talk parts, and of course, showcase the vehicle along the way with some epic cinematics. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Today we have a special episode lined up for you. You may already know that the totally redesigned Toyota Tundras are all the rage right now, and yes, we've featured them in our build series a couple times before. And even though today's video does feature yet another Tundra build, the video is less about the Tundra and more about a brand new offering from Lifted Trucks. We call it the Off-Grid Package. The Off-Grid Package is a done-for-you, very capable and stylized off-road build. We take some of today's top-selling models and equip them with high-performance off-road parts and accessories. It's a perfect blend between style and performance for those of you that not only want your truck to look great, but perform great as well, on and off the road. The process of outfitting the trucks with our off-grid package starts in the shop, where we take a stock or close to stock truck and give it a bit of an overhaul. Today's tech is Daniel, an expert technician at the lift shop, and he has a whole list of parts that will be going on this truck. To start it off, this new Tundra will be getting a 6-inch lift. I've already had a chance to drive the vehicle, and let me tell you that the added clearance the lift brings to this vehicle is impressive. You've all probably driven a truck that looks great, lifted with wheels and tires, but rides like a brick as soon as you hit the dirt. Well, as the off-grid name implies, that would be less than ideal for a build like this. So along with the 6-inch lift, we'll be adding a set of Rough Country Vertex 2.5-inch front coilovers with remote reservoirs and an 8-stage adjustable damping system that lets you fine-tune your ride for any conditions. The rear of the vehicle is equipped with the matching Rough Country Vertex 2.5-inch adjustable shocks with piggyback remote reservoirs. This is an awesome kit backed by an industry-leading warranty of 3 years on the shocks and 5 years on the coils. Now let me tell you a little secret. I was told by the shop manager as I took this truck out to not be afraid to get airborne. He said these shocks will take the landing and keep on going without missing a beat. For liability reasons, I decided to opt out of a full send, but this truck ate up the washboards and rutted out dirt we romped like a champ. It was a smooth ride both on and off the dirt that I truly enjoyed. Back to the shop for the next step in the build. This truck was getting a set of 18-inch Method MR305 wheels wrapped in 37-inch Nitto Recon Grappler tires. The whole combination just looks great on this truck while adding a ton of clearance under the vehicle. I didn't have a chance to air down the tires when I was out on the dirt, but I could imagine how cush the ride would be, letting out some pressure and adjusting the damping knobs on the suspension to fit the terrain that you are wheeling. To bring this build all together, we've added a few accessories to really polish the final look. You can see here that we've added a set of fender flares to bring out the wheel wells and accent the big tires that we've added to the truck. With the added height of the lift and tires, we also threw on a set of n-fab Predator steps for ease of access into the truck, specifically for those of us, or our wives, or girlfriends that may be vertically challenged. Of course, no off-road build is complete without a little aftermarket lighting. We added a set of Baja Design Squadron ditch lights for some extra punch out there on the dirt roads. Of course, Baja Designs needs no introduction. They are one of the industry leaders in the off-road lighting world and known for their quality and output. The amber color does a great job cutting through dust and fog, illuminating a large portion of the road that your headlights just simply don't cover. I would argue that in terms of aftermarket lighting, the ditch lights are one of the most practical additions to any off-road build right out of the gate. Last, but certainly not least, we tie it all together with our custom off-grid branding that helps these trucks stand out from the crowd. This includes custom badges on the side and rear of the vehicle and custom embroidered headrests. Daniel did an awesome job building this truck at the lift shop. His attention to detail and years of experience are on full display here. Lifted Trucks and the lift shop pride themselves on quality work and quality parts, with every single nut, bolt, screw, and weld being marked and color-coded and inspected twice before ever leaving the shop. And with that, the build was complete, and I was given the keys to go spend a week with the truck, getting a feel for it and stringing together some of this awesome footage we got out in the dirt. Let's take a look. You guys let me know what you think in the comments down below. This truck was an absolute blast to drive both on the road and off. Speed bumps around the city are a thing of the past, and stepping on the gas off-road was an impressively smooth ride as the coilover shocks with remote reservoirs ate up the bumps with ease. Even in my short time with the truck, I had people stop to ask me questions about the build. The great thing about the off-grid package is that the work is done for you before it ever hits the lot, which means these customizations and aftermarket parts can be rolled right into your financing. Keep an eye out on our social media channels to see what other makes and models this package will be offered on. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this build, so feel free to comment down below, and if you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them. This video is part of a build series. If you haven't already checked out the other videos, be sure to do so, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on our new builds. You can find this truck and many more like it at www.liftedtrucks.com. Go check the website and peruse our inventory, or feel free to stop by one of our Phoenix area locations and our all-new location in Texas. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. Over and out.